Today we dive into Colombia's most exclusive escapes and unforgettable luxuries for the discerning gentleman. And Colombia in 2025? It's the destination redefining luxury for single men. Imagine sipping 30-year aged rum under the stars on a private Caribbean terrace. Maybe dining on locally sourced Wagyu prepared by a Michelin-starred chef. Or locking eyes with a captivating Colombian beauty as a private saxophonist plays beneath the chandeliered glow of an elite lounge. In Colombia, the line between luxury and intimacy fades into an experience so rich, it feels cinematic. And for high-value men who crave depth, indulgence, and distinction, it's paradise found. Let's start with Medellin, once misunderstood, now reimagined. In 2025, this city is Latin America's answer to Dubai's design and Tokyo's tech. Picture yourself waking up in a smart penthouse with floor-to-ceiling views of the Ibarra Valley, automated espresso machines humming beside original Colombian art. Afternoons might take you to the Charlie Hotel's Envy rooftop, where high-end travelers sip cocktails beside international models, entrepreneurs, and artists. At night, Medellin's luxury nightlife scene sparkles. La Serena Rooftop, Gusto, and Salon Amador offer bottle service, private booths, and curated guest lists. The conversations? Sophisticated. The company? Flawless. The energy? Addictive. Now shift gears, Cartagena, Colombia's crown jewel of coastal luxury. The air is warmer, the pace slower, the elegance deeper. Here, colonial mansions are reborn as private villas. Think hand-carved stone archways, lush courtyards, and butler-served brunches under 18th-century chandeliers. You'll want to charter a private yacht from club to pesca marina. Cruise the Rosario Islands with champagne in hand and only curated company aboard. The water here? Clear as glass. The atmosphere? Unmatched intimacy. Later, dine at Carmen Cartagena, a 5-course culinary experience blending Colombian ingredients with French technique. It's indulgent, refined, and designed for men who savor detail and distinction. And when your night winds down, perhaps back at the Sofitel legend Santa Clara's presidential suite, the evening doesn't end, it evolves. Then there's Bogota, Colombia's beating capital and the pulse of its financial elite. It's a city of visionaries and vertical ambition, where tailored suits glide between art galleries, members-only clubs, and power lunches with panoramic city views. At the Four Seasons Casa Medina, your suite is a blend of colonial grandeur and modern edge, stone fireplaces, hand-woven textiles, and a private driver on call. Outside, boutique cigar lounges like Casa del Habano offer premium blends and cultured conversations beneath velvet-lit ceilings. Looking to expand your social circle? The city's high society mixers and international ambassador events are a goldmine for discerning single men who understand that influence begins with presence. Of course, what makes Colombia luxury's best-kept secret isn't just the 5-star stays, it's the people. Colombian women bring a rare combination of elegance, warmth, and worldly charm. They appreciate presence over pretense, authenticity over arrogance. And when you're navigating these luxe spaces, whether a fashion event in Medellin or an art gala in Bogota, you're not just meeting locals. You're meeting global-minded women who mirror your ambition. The connection? It feels effortless. Elevated. Electric. This isn't about escaping, it's about arriving. Colombia in 2025 isn't your bachelor trip. From helicopter tours over coffee country estates, to private jungle spas near Tayrona, to invitation-only dining clubs in the Andes. Every detail is designed for men who demand more, from life, and from themselves. Here, every decision becomes a doorway to deeper satisfaction. Luxury isn't just in what you see, it's how you feel. Colombia isn't just a destination. It's a lifestyle upgrade, bold, beautiful, and built for men who know their worth. If you're ready to make your next chapter the most unforgettable yet, drop a comment below. Which Colombian city calls to you the most? Medellin's skyline? Cartagena's sea breeze? Bogota's power plays? And if this journey lit a fire in you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to stop waiting and start living. We've got more global indulgence, dating insights, and luxury escapes coming your way.